This is Jarrett Richards. We are doing a raw walkthrough tour of Suriri Coastal. This is a model home in the Summit, a community built by the Tool Brothers. And this is not going to have any video editing. This is a pure raw walkthrough video of me showing you the house as if you're with me. So don't expect anything too fancy. Before I show you this, you can already see that there's an open floor concept with seamless indoor-outdoor living. You have 22-foot vaulted ceilings and a bunch of natural light. But before I show you that, you have an in-suite office, which I absolutely love, and something that buyers absolutely seek. It's super in demand, very popular, is having a main level bedroom for multiple reasons. On top of your bedroom, you have a beautiful walk-in shower, you have your bathroom, and everything else that you need for guests, family members that are staying with you, or whatever else you might need a main level bedroom for. As we make our way this way, again, a bunch of natural light. You could utilize this for beautiful wine collections. You also have some beautiful artwork in here. I'm gonna show you I'll show you this. You have your garage in here, 2-car garage. Again, just a bathroom. So if you have guests over, you obviously have them use this. There's no door right now, but there will be a door. So don't worry about that. There will be privacy unless you want it open. That'd be a little bit weird. You have your floating staircase, which is beautiful, goes over, and you have your primary and upstairs. I'm gonna show you guys that last. But again, 22-foot vaulted ceilings. You have seamless indoor-outdoor living. This is just absolutely beautiful. They did such a good job blending luxury and sophistication. You have your dining area over here, super wide open, so Thanksgiving, Christmas, whatever it might be. You also have a beautiful kitchen with top-end appliances. You have Wolf appliances. You have 11-foot cabinets. You have an additional pantry, but before I show you that, I'm gonna show you where the laundry, not the laundry, but look at this. Like, look how much space you have. You have an additional fridge. So for those who love to cook, you're gonna love this model home and this model specifically. In addition to that, you also have an entire pantry with more space, but I can't get in there. It's in the garage, so can't get in there quite yet. Anyways, actually, no, I don't think that goes to the garage. It might go to the garage, but those are locked, so I can't really tell you. I'm pretty sure that's the garage, but that connects somewhere, but I don't know where, so to be determined. To be determined. Let's make our way upstairs, and then I'm gonna show you guys the ultimate backyard. Again, floating staircase. I'm gonna show you guys the primary last. When we make our way this way, you have pretty much an ultimate little entertainment area. So again, TVs, movie nights, gaming, whatever it might be. You have one bedroom in here. You also have its own, or it also has, its own bathroom, but the kids' room have tubs. Because when you have kids, you wanna make sure you have tubs. That is something that a lot of buyers look for. Sometimes sellers without kids don't think about that. You have another bedroom in here. Again, you also have another bathroom, and this one has a walk-in shower. So you don't always need tubs in all the bedrooms, just in a couple of them. We are making our way downtown, walking fast. I'll show you guys this in a second. You have another bedroom in here. You also have another walk-in shower right in here. And closet space. In here is your laundry room. So laundry and dryer, cabinet space, which is very convenient. We will make our way back down this hall. This is gonna take us into the primary bedroom. Right in here is a beautiful, beautiful primary bathroom. But before I show you the closet, I'm gonna take some time to focus on this. So you have a fireplace, you have a TV, sports, stock market, whatever it is that you're watching. You have a massive walk-in shower, you have your tub, you have your bathroom right in here. You have more cabinet space and obviously your sinks right in here. But check out this closet. This walk-in closet is absolutely incredible. Your wife would be very, very, very happy with you, and happy wife, happy life. I'm not married, but that's what I've been told from my dad. So this closet would definitely make a happy wife. As we make our way this way, you're gonna be taken into the primary bedroom And you can see that you do have reservoir views. You could look over your pool and backyard. So it's just a beautiful property. But let's go save the best for last. And that's exactly what we did. So we're gonna go show you the backyard because it feels like a 5-star resort. Literally at home, you have a beautiful floating pool. You have an outdoor cooking, a barbecue and cooking space, covered patio space. But again, just inside, you have a bunch of natural light coming in. It is just absolutely beautiful. These homes range from about $5 to about $7.3 million. When you're working with a realtor like myself, we could actually negotiate better pricing for you, better rates. When we make our way outside, you have massive vaulted patio space. You have an outdoor fireplace as well, outdoor TV, but it's just incredible. So we're gonna make our way to the left first. So obviously you have your pool, you have your spa, you have more space down here, but as we make our way this way, you have the waterfall type of effect, which is just beautiful, relaxing. You could add more plants, of course, everything else, but when we come up here, not only do you have incredible views of the reservoir, you also have a fire pit that allows you to enjoy your morning coffee, your evening cocktails, whatever it might be, entertain in style. So it's just absolutely beautiful. You can toss that thing on at night and really just have a good time. But you have more lounging space. You have your entire patio cooking area and outdoor barbecue with Wolf appliances. You have another outdoor TV. It's literally everything that you could possibly ask for. So if you're looking for more information on this community, you want to tour in person, work with an agent like myself to get the best rates, contact me for more information.